I have a thermador dishwasher. After about 60 to 90 seconds after start it beeps show illuminated icon of a faucet.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
I cleaned out filter.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I would like to. I have repaired my over and GE fridge oven.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not sure.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. If you open the door of the dishwasher and look at the floor in the tub, is there enough water to over the entire floor of the tub from sidewall to sidewall and front to back? Also, can I get a full model number located on a sticker on the right side of the door?
No water from sidewall to side. There is maybe 2 to 3 cups of water in filter area center of dishwasher. Model #DWHD630GPR/60.
Okay, perfect. That means the error is correct and the dishwasher really isn't filling up with enough water. You'll want to unplug the flip the breaker off to the dishwasher or unplug the power cord if you can. Then turn the water off under the sink going to the dishwasher. Unscrew the lower kick panel below the door and you'll see the water supply hose going to the lower front left corner. Disconnect this hose and put it in a bucket. Turn the water on and make sure you have good water pressure. If that checks good, the valve in the lower front left corner which the hose connects to needs to be replaced because it's restricting the water flow. Below is a link to the valve for your model. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.